Hey everyone, it's Coffee Queen, hailing from Charleston, South Carolina. I just wanted to let you all know that it's been great getting to know and share with everyone over the past few years. And that's one of the main things I'm thankful for, especially in the coffee industry. I'm thankful for some of the big friends that I've received over the past year, actually, in coffee land, and the love that the coffee world shares. But as you go through your day, just remember some of the most important things to be thankful for. And Jitters Cafe and Coffee Queen wants to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving.